Hey guys, I want to show you a quick tip how to remove unwanted objects from an image in Gimp. So I have this image and I want to remove some parts. And the easiest way to select the paintbrush tool and just clean it. The background color is white, so if I want to clean this image, I want to select the white color. The fastest way to select a background color or an object color is to press Ctrl and left mouse button together. Let's go to another situation. It is difficult to clean this object with the paintbrush tool, so you need to use the rectangle select tool. With this tool you can mark any part where the paintbrush tool will be activated. Let's clean another part of the image. I'm going to use the same way. Now select the paintbrush tool again and you can clean it easily. Hope it was helpful. Please subscribe or leave a comment.